everybody, set to be released this May. It's my debut book. Yes, I wrote a book and I'm getting it published as we speak out this May. 13 and pregnant. Uh, I will give you a little summary. It's about a girl who has a lot of misfortune happenings in her life, including getting pregnant after being raped. But yeah, the inspiration was we watched a lot of crime shows, so that's what my inspiration was. I was like, hey, this could happen. Let's write a book about this happening, and that's how the concept